The Treitz House is a two-story, Georgian-influenced commercial building along Moncton's waterfront. Dendrochronology and architectural analysis date the east portion of the structure at circa 1769, making it Moncton's oldest standing heritage building. Architectural details of an addition point to a construction date in the 1820s. The H-bent type of frame of the original house, quite unusual in Anglo-American architecture, suggests the possible participation of Acadian craftsmen in its construction. The original portion of the dwelling was located on land that was owned by early Moncton settler Jacob Treitz, who possibly erected and occupied the structure. It was subsequently owned by Thomas Prince and was used as an inn and a hotel by the time Ichabod Lewis took ownership, possibly in the 1820s. It served as a tenement house for most of the 20th century. It has moved at least 3 times in its long history. Purchased by the city of Moncton in 1996, the ground floor of the Treitz House is used as the summer location for Moncton's Visitor Information Center and hosts exhibits and historical interpretation.